Welcome to W10 video tutorials. In this video, we'd like to introduce S-Detect for breast features. S-Detect analyzes selected lesions in the breast ultrasound study and shows the analysis data. This applies the breast imaging reporting and data system by RADS Atlas to provide standardized reporting and helps diagnosis with the streamlined workflow. Select a linear probe and breast preset that supports S-Detect and perform 2D scan. Press the Freeze button on the control panel when you find irregular shaped internal structures, and press S-Detect button on the touch panel to analyze the suspected lesion. To specify the area of suspected lesion in target point mode, click a point in the center of a lesion you want to analyze, or touch a point in the center of the lesion on the touch panel. In target area mode, click the upper left point of the lesion and lower right point. You can also specify the lesion by touching the upper left point and lower right point on the touch panel. The system automatically generates contour of the area the user selected and displays them in the center of the screen. On the left is body marker, in which the size of lesion is automatically measured and location of lesion is marked. Lexicon items are displayed on the right side of the screen, and the result whether lesion is benign or malignant is displayed on the bottom of the screen. The user can set the by-RADS category score. Up to 6 contours can be formed on the touch panel, and you can select the one to analyze as desired. You can also easily edit the automatically formed contour from the selected image. When you select Point Edit Contour, you can modify the area of a suspected lesion by clicking the points. When you select Line Edit Contour button, you can specify the area of suspected lesion by drawing the line you desire. The manual contour can be used if you want to draw the entire contour arbitrarily desired. The upper left displays the body pattern and the probe marker to indicate the location of the lesion contoured. The tiny circle of yellow stick represents the location of the probe head. To record the location of the lesion contoured, you can use the probe marker on the body pattern to indicate the scanning location. The center of the body pattern refers to patient's nipple exists. To specify the body pattern, you can indicate right breast or the left by using the trackball and set key. To record the scan direction from the patient's nipple, you can rotate the probe marker by turning the angle knob on the control panel. The marker gap assists user to indicate the distance of the lesion from the patient nipple. The interval between the circles can be adjusted by clicking the arrow of marker gap and select the one desired. You can also refer the values of distance, angle, depth, width, height, and area that automatically calculated from the contour lines you selected. The classification type can be assigned from the Setup menu. 2 different by-RADS are valid, by-RADS 2003 and by-RADS 2013, and it automatically recommends the details. By-RADS 2003 refers 6 items: shape, orientation, margin, lesion boundary, posterior feature, and echo pattern. By-RADS 2013 refers 5 items: shape, orientation, margin, posterior features, and echo patterns. You can edit the classification from the automatically formed data. Select the classification button on the touch panel and choose the values desired. The results by the BI-RADS assessment category score can be revised whether the lesion is benign or malignant and displayed on the bottom of the main screen. From the Utility menu, you can select the sensitivity setting of as-detect imaging. From the sensitivity setting, you can adjust the probability of detecting whether the lesion is benign or malicious. There are three modes: high sensitivity, high accuracy, and high specificity. When you confirm the BI-RADS assessment category result, press the Assign and Report button on the touch panel to enter the as-detect for breast report data. Patient data, location of lesion, classification, category score, image, and etc. are displayed on the report. Thank you for visiting our W10 video tutorials. Please visit again for more information on using your W10 ultrasound system.